Welcome back to Gear Up Windows YouTube channel. In this video, we will guide you on how to set a custom URL for homepage and new windows in Firefox on Windows 11 and 10 PCs. For this, first open Firefox browser on your Windows PC, then click on this one menu icon and in the drop down menu select settings. In the Firefox settings, select this one option Home in the left sidebar. On the right, under New Windows and Tabs section, you will find this one option Home Page and New Windows. Click on this one drop down menu. By default, it will be set to Firefox Home. Click on this one and select this one option Custom URLs. Now you can type any desired URL that you want to open in homepage and new windows on Firefox, and that's all. There is no other option to save. By default it will be saved. And now when you will open a new Firefox window, it will automatically open the page that you have set like this. And even if you open a new tab and click on this one Home, it will again open that custom URL only on your Firefox browser on Windows 11 and 10 PCs.